You are incredible. Anyone would want to partner up with you. You've moved away from a time whereby you were consumed by doubt, you were consumed by fear, you were consumed by the unknown. You've been through many tower moments, and these tower moments affected you in a deep way. They restricted your growth, they made you feel unable to go out there and show the world who you really are. And this could have been due to a lot of factors. Factors like your conditionings from childhood, your wounds from childhood. We all have them, and that's why it's important to work on them. Maybe you weren't brought up by parents that praised you, that told you how amazing you were. Maybe you were bullied when you were younger. Maybe for some of you, you went out with partners who belittled you, who were trying to compete with you. Maybe you had friends that were jealous of you. You felt trapped, you felt isolated, you felt alone, and you were waiting for someone to come and save you. And unfortunately, you ended up aligning with individuals who were secret enemies. This left you in a state of despair. You may have overindulged to forget about the pain, but then something changed. You took your power back. You started to pour into you. You started to rid yourself of toxic thoughts, toxic people, simply by falling in love with yourself. And for some of you, you may have connected with someone who fell in love with you, and you were unable to see the beautiful traits that you possess because of the state that you were in the past. But whoever you connected with saw your heart, connected to your soul. They didn't care about what you had in the bank. They felt a strong spiritual connection to you, and they still do. And when you felt weak, when you felt in despair, this person saw your strength and they poured their love into you. They spoke words of power into you. They saw the king or queen within you. For some of you, this is future tense. This individual saw how incredible you are. And all they wanted for you was for you to see it too. And for some of you, you may have pushed this individual away or these people away because you were not in your power. You were still consumed by the past and the pain of the past. And no matter what these individuals said to you, no matter how much encouragement they gave to you, you didn't see it. Because you felt to yourself, if those words were true, why do I feel the way I do? Why is my situation like this? Why did I get involved with those ex-partners, ex-friends? And it's almost as if you repelled the love that was trying to connect with you, because on a subconscious level, you did not feel deserving of this love. And then one day, you saw what others saw within you. Your power, your resilience, your regalness, your ambition, And then it clicked to you what you needed to do. And what you needed to do was to continue to heal. Because even those individuals that you may have dated, you may have been friends with in the past who were toxic, they saw the power within you too. But they wanted to keep you small as a way of controlling you. Because they felt like if you knew your power, you would leave them. Because they had unhealed wounds that they were not healing. If it was your parents, maybe they were not brought up feeling empowered by their parents, and they continue the cycle. And you are the generational curse breaker. You're here to break that cycle. You're here to show others that it's okay to celebrate yourself. It's okay to be your own cheerleader. It's okay to love yourself. And through loving yourself, you begun to see your worth. And those individuals who, whether knowingly or unknowingly, did not pour into you, were repelled by this new energy because your light shone a light on their darkness. And you outgrew these connections. They felt on edge around you. Some of you may notice this now, that some of these old individuals that had control over a situation, a friendship, a relationship, they can't move around you in the same way like they did before. To them, you've become brand new. You have stepped into a new cycle. A new cycle that some of these individuals cannot come on. And these individuals, they know who you are. They see your power. They see your brilliance. The way you express yourself is so unique. It's so individual. You are an individual. You are of light. You are unlearning the lies that were projected onto you. You are feeling unapologetic about your self-expression, your intelligence. You are an amazing conversationalist. People enjoy connecting with you. People enjoy learning from you. You are a teacher. You are a master manifester. You bring in a lot of good luck. And you need to understand, some of these individuals aligned with you because they could see and they sense that if they connected with you, they will gain good luck too. And they did, but for their own benefit. They can no longer feed off your energy no more because you're pouring back into you. You have nothing to give to these individuals. And because you're pouring back into you, you are now drawing in the love that you desired, that you deserve, that you thought you would never be able to receive. You are unlearning patterns. And many people want to connect with you. Many people want to partner up with you. They see your brilliance. They see how you radiate having inner peace. To many people, you are the perfect romantic partner. No one's perfect, but to these individuals, you tick all boxes. You have the charisma, the star quality, the friendship, the compassion, the mental intellect, the positivity, the goal-getting attitude, the ambition, the compassion and love that they want. And in a business sense, many business owners, CEOs, bosses love to collaborate with you, or they want to collaborate with you. Word is getting around about who you are. Word is getting around about how hard you work, but you bring a different flair. You are a great communicator. You treat everyone like your friend. You have a brilliant singing voice. You are extremely creative. You are unique. You are original. And a lot of people are wondering who you are. I need to meet this person. I need to get to know them. I've got this idea. I think this person will be the perfect person for this idea. Many people want to partner up with you. You may see people stopping and staring, asking who you are. Are you famous? You might be taken aback. You might be taken aback by the fact that a lot of people want to date you. A lot of people want to date you. When they see your picture on the internet, they have to do a double take. And they hope that you're not in a relationship because you are a great catch. It's almost as if they can see and feel the energy through the screen that you are a big deal. They may not know what you do, but they know this person's a big deal. And many people feel like you are their lucky charm, whether that's in a romantic sense or a business sense. You bring good vibes. And finally, you're seeing that. Finally, you're realizing your worth. Finally, you're realizing your magic. You have this way about you whereby you maintain your essence of positivity. And you've been through a lot. But you did not allow your past to harden your heart because you continue to heal. You continue to heal. And you continue to pour into yourself and pour into others. You want the best for everyone, and it is sense. And whenever you are around an environment, it's almost as if your energy cleanses that environment. Your energy cleanses out the toxicity. It may not be immediate, but over time, you have that capability of shining your light, exposing people who are working in the shadows. And you have that capability of neutralizing your environment. You can get on with most people. People confide in you. People open up to you. People see you as very high vibrational. Many people want to be your friend. You give great advice. You have many hobbies and skills and talents. You could be a great baker, a great cook. People want to learn from you. You're not boastful. You're down to earth. You teach people how to live in their purpose, how to be in their purpose, how to go after their dreams. Because whether you tell people what to do or not, you lead by example. Because your life to other people looks very positive, very high vibrational, very free. And people are attracted to this energy. This high vibrational energy that you possess. And it did not come overnight. It took a lot of shadow work. A lot of clocking bosses. And that's not to say that you won't have to clock some more bosses in this life. But one thing is for sure. You've never lost your heart. You have the capability, and you have done. You've closed out cycles or helped other individuals to close out cycles that no longer serve them. Those that were stuck, those that felt like they had to settle for the way their life was, those that were confused, manipulated. You have been a sage. You have seen and spoken life into individuals. You have a way about you whereby your outlook is very futuristic and people want to jump on this wave. Many people find, whether they are friends, family members, business partners, romantic partners, that Once they've connected with you, their money goes up. Whether that means you get into business partnership with these individuals, whether that means you pour love into these individuals, give great advice, they start to see their life change. And it's not that you are telling them what to do. You're just connecting them to their true power. And this may not have happened for some people if they stayed in the same environments with the same people that they were around, the same romantic relationships that they were in, the friends that they connected with. People are starting to connect the dots now, and they're realizing, hold on a minute. It's because of that person, you. And you are so humble, you may feel like, no, it's because of you. And it's true. You see the power in others. You just help them to connect to the power within. And you're the type of person that you keep trying and trying. And sometimes you got to take the L. Sometimes you realize that, you know what, some people just don't want to listen. And it's disheartening, but sometimes Spirit places you into the life of others who are ready. What do they say? When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Maybe you appeared in certain individuals' life too prematurely. And they were in a very toxic state and they repelled your energy. But they always came back around. When you look back, they came back around. And sometimes you are the student for other teachers. And you may have been, in that energy whereby you weren't ready to listen yet. No, it's happened to me. And since you have come into certain individuals' life, things have changed around. Your unique approach and your outlook is phenomenal. People are winning with you.